if you're a public school teacher, do you want to share what subject you teach, what grade you teach, and then something that you did that was not lecture style, but something that require high level thinking, something more interactive and fun that you do normally in class? I'll go first. So I teach Korean at a high school, and this year I'm teaching non-native year 1 Korean, which is a beginning level, and then non-native year 4, which is the intermediate high to advanced low level, and then also native Korean years 1 to 3, which is really for the students who already speak Korean at home and are fluent in Korean. So I'll just share what I did most recently in my beginning level class. So they're learning postpositions in Korean, which is equivalent to prepositions in English, like in, on, at, above, below, etc. So for the interactive portion, I was providing chocolate to the students. They are in a group of 4, and they were in this chocolate game where that group of 4 was split into 2 pairs, and then each pair took a turn to hide the chocolate, and then they had to make guesses and where the chocolate was hiding. But in order to do that full question and answer, they had to use postposition to locate the chocolate.